Hello everybody, this is Stephanie and I want to show you this watercolor paint set. There's 50 colors in here and this was sent to me for my honest opinion, and that's what you're going to get today. So I just opened it up and I really wanted to show you how it comes when it's open. So you can definitely gift this to anyone who really likes art. And I'm actually one of the people that like art. Well, first of all, let me take a look at the back. There's 36 basic colors, and it says what they are, and 10 iridescent and 4 neon. That's what this says on the back. It comes with 3 times the bundle. Comes with a watercolor pad. It comes with a watercolor pencil. Comes with 1 water brush, 1 water acrylic marker, 1 knob eraser, and 1 sponge. That's what this comes with. See, as you can see on the box. And so now it comes like this. Isn't that just beautiful? It just comes in a bag like that, and I thought it was gorgeous. And then I opened the box up. Look at that. Look at that. Now I'm going to open it up some more so you can actually see what comes in here. And if you notice, the colors are right here. They're right there, and you can tell what color you want by the number right here. And that's what the colors look like. So there you go. Now, I'm going to actually try to, there's an eraser right here. There's the pen, there's the brushes. This is the acrylic black marker right here. And this is that would be the watercolor pencil. That's what that would be. But anyway, it's all right here. The watercolor pencil, everything is right here. And so now, I am going to try to use it. Okay, I took a brush. There we go. And I have some water in my cup right here, which is what you need. This would be nice if you got some kids that want to do some watercoloring and stuff like that. Here is a pad that comes with it. And I'm going to just choose a color here. And this color should be number 72, an iridescent blue. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep, number 72. So I'm going to just rub this to get the paint on. Yep, paint is coming on. I got some paint on my brush with this. There you go, there's the paint. And let's see. We can actually even do a little bit more. Get some more water. Look at that. Looks like the sky blue. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that. So this is watercolor. You know, I haven't done this since I was in high school, using watercolor like this. But you can make the sky up here, or the water down there, whichever way you want to look at that. And I really want to take another color and let's see. Let's do some sun. So let's do a yellow here. Let's do a yellow and an orange actually. Got a yellow right here. See how that comes out. And the yellow looks good too. Looks good. Well, this is watercolor, and I think I like it. And if I get some time, I may just play around with this and see what kind of painting I can come up with. But look, the colors are great. Look at the colors. The colors are good. Really nice. So that is my review of this product, and I thank the manufacturers for sending it to me, and I really am going to enjoy this.